Alright, let's go. Types of split S. Moero Attack. Okay, this is normal split S, but I don't have the target in visual. Try again, okay. Good, better. Try again. Okay, that's a normal one. Closer proximity. Alright, just like the somersault. Let's go up high. Alright, swoop in. Okay, I used to like to do that, not anymore. Now I like to do closer proximity. Okay. Mind-boggling. Okay, this is when I do a flip first. Flip. Okay, close proximity again. Okay, flip. Side turn. Okay, now let's try to do somersault berpusing. Somersault berpusing. Now we're done. So thank you very much for staying right to the end. Like and subscribe.